Guys, you don't need any wet weather gear today, but you definitely have to be bundled up in layers. It's going to feel like winter. I mean, the wind chill is going to be in the mid to upper 30s. There's not going to be a ton of wind. Last year at this time, the wind chill was actually, I think it was in the teens in the morning. It's chilly out here, especially if you're standing still, but the wind isn't that strong, and you have to check out the grass. It is literally perfect, and Levin and I are going to be talking to the head's groundkeeper in the next hour, Dave Meller, and kind of talk to him about how he gets it to be so perfect for opening day. He and his crew have been out here, and literally, look at that. It's plush. There's a little bit of dew on it. That's about it. We're not talking about any precipitation today, so that's good news. You just got to be dressed for winter. That's about it. Temperature this morning is running in the 30s. We're not going to rebound much later on this afternoon. So the home opener last year, the daytime high was 43, and that's pretty much where we're going to be this year. You have to go back to all the way to 2015 to have temperatures that were close to 70 degrees. Highs today only in the 40s. Average high for this time of the year is in the low 50s. So cooler than average day, staying overcast. It's cloudy this morning, and we're going to stay that way right on through the afternoon. We are tracking some rain. There's some to our south. We don't have to worry about that. But there's that band of showers that you see near Buffalo, New York, up through Toronto. That's going to work in our direction, and will bring some scattered showers and downpours as we head through the evening hours. But it holds off until after the game, so we're 43 for first pitch. Wind chill in the mid to upper 30s. Wind coming in from center field. The wet weather holds off until generally 5 to 8 p.m. from west to east. So you notice some downpours come into the western and central part of the state for the evening commute, and then they push through and tend to weaken over the South Shore and Cape 8, 9 o'clock this evening. Tonight we get some partial clearing, and temperatures are going to drop back into the 30s. The wind is also going to shift around behind that front out of the northwest, generally less than 10 miles per hour. Tomorrow, I do think we get some breaks of sunshine, but there's not going to be a ton of sunshine tomorrow. There's still an isolated shower risk. Temperature is going to be up around 50, and it will be breezy with gusts to 20 miles per hour. We really notice a difference by the time we get to Thursday. That's when the sun's going to be back out in full force. 7 p.m. first pitch on Thursday, dry and pleasant in the low 50s. Friday is going to be a little bit iffy just because some rain is going to be approaching by the end of the game on Friday. Temperatures in the mid 50s, but we do have a little warm up as we head into the end of the week, and you're going to see it in the 7-day forecast here. With clouds increasing on Friday ahead of that rain, we're going to be up around 60. Saturday, any early morning clouds giving way to sun. Beautiful weekend. I say Saturday is a pick because we're going to be milder. Sunday, a little bit cooler with increasing clouds, and Marathon Monday looks wet and chilly, and there's some pretty good signals that it is going to be a wet day overall. So we'll keep you posted on the Marathon forecast, of course.